Hello everyone, myself Ayush Karnar, and today we are going to present on topic object-oriented programming in Java. Java is the most important programming language and it is used in many web databases and also in web development. It is also used in back-end development. Introduction to Java. It is a high-level object-oriented programming language and it is developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995. And it is platform independent and runs on Java Virtual Machine, which is also called as JVM. It is secure, robust and portable language and widely used in web, mobile enterprises and applications. Supports multi-threading and it is distributed computing. Evolution of Java. It was developed by James Gosling and team and initially named as Oak in starting days. Then it was renamed to be Java in 1995. It was designed for embedded system initially, introduced platform independence using JVM, continuously updated with new versions like Java 8, 11, 17 and so on. It is popular for enterprises and Android development. Object-oriented programming concept. It is the most important concept, and programming paradigm based on object and classes is termed as object-oriented programming concept. It represents real-world entities in software, and also like classes and blueprints plays a vital role in this concept. Like classes are blueprints and objects are the one which are instantiated in those classes. It helps in improving code reusability and maintainability, and it makes the program easier to design and understand. OOPS implementation in Java. Java is primarily object-oriented in nature. Everything is organized using classes and objects. It supports core OOPS principle and provides built-in features for implementation. And also it is widely used in real-world application development. Classes in Java. So as I mentioned earlier, classes are the blueprints or templates for creating objects, and it defines properties which are also called as variables and behaviors which are terms as methods. As we can see here is a class created named student and string name Ayush, and we have input the age 18. So it does not occupy memory until object is created, and it supports encapsulation and abstraction we will study in further slides, which are the core features of Java, object-oriented programming. It contains constructors and methods and are used to create multiple objects. Object in Java. It is also called as an instance of a class. It represents real-world entity, contains state and behavior, occupies memory in systems, create using new keywords and can interact with other objects. It is used to access class properties and methods. Here we can see that the class student, we have created an object named S1. In this way, object is created and implemented in Java. Now let's move to core features of Java. As I mentioned earlier, the core features of Java are encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism and abstraction. So let's move ahead to the core features. Data encapsulation. Data encapsulation is like binding the data and methods in single unit, and it is achieved using classes in Java. Data is hidden using private access modifiers and access provided through getters and setters. It improves data security, prevents unauthorized access and makes code more organized. As we can see, like the marks of the student are private, like they are not shown in code, but they are in the code. And these are the marks which are public, which are said to be shown to the person we have to show. Like these marks will work, but it will not be shown in the system. Like it will be inside the system. Inheritance mechanism. It allows one class to inherit another class and promotes code reusability. It uses keywords like extends in Java and supports hierarchical classification. Like you can see that here is a class animal, which is also termed as parent class in inheritance, and this class gets extends to the class named dog, which is also called as child class. So here we can see an inheritance concept. Here, like the dog class inherits the properties of animal class, and here the extend keyword is used so that we can show that the animal class is extended to dog class. Polymorphism concept. The ability to take multiple forms but same method behave differently. It is achieved using method overloading and riding, and increases flexibility of code. As we can see here, like the code flexibility is increased and same method is used, but there are multiple forms, like here int add, int a and int b, and here int add, int a, int b, int c, but same method but different forms. Abstraction concept. It's like hiding the implementation details and shows only essential features. Let us understand by an example like a remote. If the internal features of the remote are hidden by the cover and only the button works, in the same way, we are only showing the button to the people and we are not showing the internal circuits and systems. In the same way, abstraction works in Java. Here we have to create a class and use the keyword abstract here before the class, and these classes are called abstract classes. So which reduces complexity, improves code security, and also makes the code easier to maintain. Benefits of OOPS. As we have seen earlier that all the features of OOPS, we learn from the features that code is reusable, easily maintained, data security, and better flexibility, due to which the data cannot be accessed by anyone and we can keep the data safe and private to the owner of that particular site or data. Also, it improves the productivity. Conclusion. So we conclude from this PPT that Java is a powerful object-oriented language. OOPS simplifies programming structure. Core features improves efficiency, helps in solving real-world problems, ensure clean and manageable code. Thank you.